Business Bites, powered by Sagicor.
Hello, I'm Andrew Laidley with your Business Bites.
A new assessment coming from the International Monetary Fund IMF staff submits the idea that while fewer of the young have died due to COVID-19, they might bear the scars of the novel coronavirus pandemic for years. An IMF writer said in a blog published on Friday, while the coronavirus has taken relatively more lives from older generations, younger people may feel the impact on their livelihoods for the duration of their working years. From this perspective, the economy too may have a kind of long COVID, with each generation bearing different scars. The development of Jamaica's capital market, and in particular the introduction of the private market on the Jamaica Stock Exchange JSE, has piqued NCB Capital Markets' interest in pursuing more private equity opportunities in the current calendar year. So far, the company has led the listing of 4 instruments on the JSE private market, the most by any brokerage house, including preference shares valued at $2.01 billion for Colossal IC Holdings.
And those are your Business Bites. I'm Andrew Laidley.
Business Bites, powered by Sagicor.